Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making Haitian breakfast, which is fried eggs. We have 4 eggs, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, chili flakes, tomato paste, epis or green seasoning, lime, and onion, 1 tomato, and 1 Scotch bonnet. Here we're just gonna chop our vegetables, and I've placed the measurements down below in the description box. So now we're just going to incorporate our ingredients in our bowl, starting off with the eggs. So we're just cracking all the eggs in our bowls, and then we're going to add all the other ingredients to it. We're just going to whisk our eggs together with all the ingredients. Whisk it well so everything can be incorporated. Now I'm just adding the Maggi cube and our chili flakes to the egg so we can mix it well. So now I'm adding the oil to the hot pan so that we can fry our vegetables, our onions, our peppers, and our Scotch bonnet. Some people prefer to cut their onions smaller or in shapes, but I like my onions to be round and crispy. So now we're going to add our eggs to our bowl, mix it well so everything can get into the frying pan. Now I'm just going to let the eggs cook. I'm just going to toss it around so that it can cook well. Some people prefer to scramble their eggs, but this is my preference. You can do it how you like. Now our eggs are done. We're just gonna plate it with some tomatoes next to it and some toast.